Okay, Gabby, don't say everything, but give me some idea of what you want me to bring back. Here we have fried shrimp chips, and let's see, that would be seaweed flavored. You can see what kind of chips those are, and that one is not a flavor, that's just a potato chip thing. And that is lob flavored. I don't know if you would like lob. I love it, but I don't know if you would. It may be a bit spicy. And let's look here. We have prawn crackers, which prawn or shrimp. So those are shrimp crackers, and then these are spicy shrimp crackers. And then here is squid or cuttlefish crackers. And anything else that looks, there's more cuttlefish crackers of some kind. And see what that is. Nope, that doesn't look very promising there. Let me slip around to the other side here. Now this is a whole rack of nothing but seaweed. And I think you're not into seaweed these days, if I remember correctly. These are regular potato chips, and this would be shrimp, and there's a seafood sauce that's kind of green colored. So apparently this is a little bit of both, shrimp flavored and that sauce flavored. And let's do that. Anything exciting? Here are some Pringles that are tom yum, which is a seafood type of soup. And I'm not seeing anything else though. These are probably cuttlefish also. But just a fish snack. So, if you see something that I have pointed to and you think, oh my gosh, I must have this, make sure that you spicy lobster Pringles. If you see anything you just think I've got to have that, make sure that you let me know, and I will try to make sure that I bring it back with me. And that's really all of the chip type stuff. Everything else is going to be more like, you know, the cookies and stuff that I often bring back. You can get hockey sticks there. Although it is possible, you see, it's possible they may have shrimp flavored pocky sticks here. That would not surprise me too much. There's lob. Well, it's tom yum, which I love. I'll bring a bunch of those home for myself. It's tom yum is a soup that has shrimp in it. So I don't know if you just see. Look over the video, and if you see something that you're dying for me to bring back, just let me know, and I will try to get it. That's just regular candy. So anyway, I've got a week yet, so let me know what you want me to bring back, and I'll grab it and put it in the bag to be brought back. Okay, bye.